Hello everyone, so today in this video I will talk about the problem solving skills and why should matter for any developer who want to be really strong. So problem solving is a skills and you should to uh, practice day after day, day after day to up your level. So why should matter? First, the problem solving skills up your level on the logical thinking and try to think better. And also, for example, if you start on popular platforms like LeetCode or Codeforces or any platform provide problem solving, so let you to know what is the most patterns, what is the most tips and tricks. And also, if you want to know deep about data structure and algorithms, like how the algorithms work, how I can, when I can, use these algorithms, when I can avoid this data structure. So problem solving on these platforms provide this. And maybe a lot of people think that problem solving is just submit the solutions on these platforms, have a good rank or point, but not like this. So you try to make different problems uh, using different algorithms or data structures to know different patterns, to know different situations, and this really make yourself more confident. And also, if you want to really use and know about the big annotations, so the problem solving really matter. And write the efficient solutions, not just type the code and if he works and solution works, so that well, no, you just to know the efficient solutions. For example, don't take a lot of time or don't take space more from the memory. So problem solving provide this, and you start by practice with specific language programming. You can choose the language you are more comfortable, like Java, like C++, like Pythons, and learn the data structure and the algorithms. Once you know these topics well, you go to practice, and also you can join the community because the community can really help you and important for someone who wants to be more know about how other people thinks, how, for example, people have short solutions, short path for solutions. So the community is really awesome to join. So on this platform like LeetCode.Course, you can join free community. So this is quick video about the problem solving topics, and this may be an answer of uh, people that ask why I want to waste my time on problem solving instead to make directly a project. So I think answer the questions and let you see in another video. Thank you for watching.